Experiencing the notorious blue screen of death (BSOD), which is also known as BSOD, can be immensely devastating, especially when it corrupts a crucial task. Even with the most recent Windows 10 or 11 updates, numerous users continue to grapple with encounters with this screen. And this is also caused by stop code video TDR failure. Don't fear, as in this video I'll teach you how to fix stop code video TDR failure in Windows. Also, we offer a bonus way in description to recover data due to BSOD errors. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. But before that, click on the subscribe button to never miss our future content. Why does TDR failure occur? Video TDR failure typically rears its head when you attempt to play a video file. Among the prevailing culprits that can provoke this stop code, you might encounter technical glitches on your graphics card, an outdated PC's graphics card driver, excess background processes, PC's components are overheating. Method 1. Scan and fix using System Files Utility Checker. Click on the Start button, search for CMD, and run it as administrator. Once that is done, type this command. This will kickstart a comprehensive system scan on your computer to locate and substitute any corrupted files. This process might take some time, so make sure you do some breathing exercise while you wait. After completing, restart your computer and check if you're facing this error again. Method 2. Update display adapters and chipset drivers. Right-click on your Start button and click on Device Manager. Click on the arrow next to Display Drivers. Right-click on the specific driver and select Update Driver. Now Windows will start looking for most suitable drivers and automatically install them as well. Method 3. Disable Intel HD graphics driver. When utilizing a third-party graphics card such as NVIDIA, the integrated Intel graphics card can sometimes be the source of the error. In such instances, disabling the Intel graphics driver fixes a lot of video-related issues. First, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Expand the display driver, right-click on your Intel graphics driver, and just click on Disable. Now check if your issue has been fixed. Method 4. Recover lost files and data due to TDR failure. If you have been consistently experiencing the stop code video TDR failure, chances are you have suffered the loss of numerous unsaved files in the process. Thankfully, there exists a solution to reclaim these vanished documents, and that is by using professional data recovery software like atikmpak. atikmpak is hands down the best and easiest professional data recovery software in the market right now. It's the one-stop solution to recover almost all types of files in Windows, not only photos or videos, but more complex files like Word, Excel, PPT, and other Office documents. So just check the video description to try this recovery tool to see if it can find your files. And for a limited period of time, we have an exclusive YouTube discount just for you. After downloading and installing, run atikmpak. Click on PC and hard drive recovery and select the location where you have lost your files. Now, atikmpak will automatically scan the location for all the files that were inside. After the scan, select your deleted or lost files. You can also view files like photos even before recovering them. Other than that, you can also change the view tab to thumbnail, and there are filters where you can select the lost files and the modified date. A simple yet very effective feature. Now, click on the blue Recover button. Select the location where you want to paste in your recovered files, and you're done. Don't forget to find the YouTube discount code on the channel homepage, which is nothing but ARYT0110 to receive a 10% discount on your license. On the buy page, the lifetime upgrades are a big deal, so I'll apply it. Paste the code on the area and I'll get 2 discounts. Remember that this is a limited time discount, so make sure you act fast. By following these instructions, you can effectively resolve the stopcode video TDR failure issue on your Windows system. Be sure to meticulously follow each step to prevent any potential errors. If you encounter any sorts of uncertainties or questions, please don't hesitate to reach us via the comment section down below, or you can contact us on our Discord server. And that concludes today's video. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.